Oil tanker driver singna steering thadokpagi khongjang changsilabasu state asida tangai fadana changba petroleum producing stock ta matik Chaana Leiri haina consumer affairs food and public distribution CAF and PD department gi director Y Nelson na fongdokri Imphal gi nitaipa chuthekta leiba directorate of information and public relation gi office tangasi pangthokiba mid the press ki thoramda wa ngangladuna director Y Nelson na fongdokibada oil tanker gi driver singna ngasidagi steering pai dabagi khongjang changsiliba asida meyamna thau phanglaroidra haina pakhatpa tawbiganu state asida stock ta numit kunthra tare nigi superior kerosene oil numit tara tare nigi aviation turbine fuel numit mapan nigi petrol numit kunga manga nigi diesel amasung numit nipan nigi LPG stock ta leiri department gi maikei digi su tanker driver singa wari sanaduna petroleum products sing ay apan leitana supply tobo yana naba hotnari haiki amaromda National Food Security Act ki makada beneficiary sing da piriba chengi matangda palladuna director Nelson hai state asida leiriba beneficiary sing da KYC tauba mapung fadaba thidana cheng adumak fangan khigani state asida leiriba napsa beneficiary apunbagi chada yankai ge nipandi mathau taba KYC ge process lotion kre Manipur da oiriba fibam asigi yenglaga KYC process lotion bagi matam center na sangdokre beneficiary singna su masa masagi mobile phone da KYC gi process adumak lotion ba yagani center na pirakpa chengna napsagi beneficiary singda pibagi mahuta lamdam masida phangjaba chengna mahut sinbagi matangda SASCI project ki makada 4 metric ton per hour gi rice mill ama semgat paloshilakle project asi mapung fabaga lamdam asla fangba cheng sing piba hogani National Food Security Act ki makada hojik fawbada beneficiary lakunga mathoi lising taraga humdoi konsin bangamle beneficiary sing asi Antyodaya Ana Yojana AAY amasung priority household PHH category singi makadani state asida fair price of lising aniga chamangaga kuntraga nithoida electronic point of sale devising leire haina mahakna makataki
aduka supply chain management ko computerization haitare anna chakra haitare ko si makhasida akogi supply chain je manage tawna bu story aduka route optimization haitare ko akogi anna chakra app se da tawroga akogi world food program makha da tawroga akogi most efficient and most effective transportation route se si jo koin hudona ba tawri aduga vehicle location checking system BLTSI je si jo akogi GPS tawba based checking of vehicles ko akogi FCI digi state warehouse da APS da transport tawgi keno checking tawna ba adugi su ma kanna india government makha da ko si tawri haitare real time monitoring tawna ba koi vehicle movement se aduga akogi adherence to designated routes and prevention of diversion of food grains si tawri haitare aduga koi gi achievements haragadi 100 automation of all koi fair price shops se Manipur da 2532 APS shops lay aduga si auto 100% automate tawre aduga other seeding say 99.70% ni aduga Aadhaar linkage of beneficiaries na 99.60% akoi storage capacity na 20,600 metric ton aduga monthly napsai location se 11,855.70 metric ton EKYC completion di 58 tangari ko